Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Market Trends. Today in this video we shall be discussing about the post-market report for the day. So let's get started. As you can see in front of your screen is the Dow Jones Industrial Average. The American market was last seen trading at 27,791 with a sharp jump of 357 points. Further added to it, the outbreak of the news related to coronavirus vaccine coming out of that from Russia, which is speculated with an unconfirmed report, as per me at least, is something if truth prevails with it or something, so we can expect the markets to react as per the news. Now coming on to the Indian markets, we could see that the Nifty closed at 11,322 Indian rupees, which was a fair jump of 52 points. And in terms of percentage, we saw it jumping by 0.46%. Whereas if we talk about the advances with Nifty 50, we could see 33 advances and the declines were 17th, whereas there were nil and unchanged stocks. Now coming on to the sectorial indices, in Nifty Next 50, we saw it closing at 27,392 rupees, and that was in negative 134 points. In terms of percentage, we saw it in minus 0.49%, whereas advances with it were 21 and the declines were 29 with no unchanged stocks. If we come on to the next one, that is Nifty Mid Cap 50, it was last seen closing at 4,480 rupees with a fair jump of 165 points, and in terms of percentage 0.04% was the jump recorded in it. Whereas if we see the advances were 23 with it and the declines were 25 and unchanged stocks were only 2. Now coming on to the next sector, that is Nifty Auto, which closed at 7,630 rupees with a jump of only 9 points, and in terms of percentage it was recorded to be 0.12%, whereas the advances were 7 in it and the declines were 8 with nil of unchanged stocks in it. Now the last comes the Nifty Bank. Nifty Bank was seen to be last closing at 22,227 rupees with a fair jump of 326 points. There were 10 advances in Nifty Bank, whereas 2 declines, and there were nil in unchanged stocks. Overall, we could say that the biggest change we could observe was that through Nifty Bank in the day, whereas in negative was Nifty Next 50 observed with 134 points in minus. Now if we come on to the Indian markets on the charts, we could see that the market opened with a gap up today with the first candle in bullish trend. Later on throughout the day, it was a slow momentum and there were no particular highs or lows witnessed in the market. Eventually the market closed at 11,322 rupees, which was in green. Now coming on to the stocks which contributed to the index, if checking out those stocks, the first one was HDFC Bank from banking sector, private banking sector, which contributed approximately 18.68, whereas Reliance was followed by it from oil exploration and production industry, contributing 13.77, whereas next was the HDFC from housing finance industry, contributing 12.80. Then and there and there were many other stocks followed by it. Now moving on to the FII and DIA data, we could see that DIA made a total buying value of 3,963 crores, whereas the selling value of DIA was recorded as 4,468 crores, and ultimately the net value was recorded as minus 504 crores. Now coming on to the FII, we could see that the total buying value of FII were 4,892 crores, whereas the total selling value was recorded to be at 4,589 crores, and ultimately the net value was recorded as 302 crores. Now coming on to the top 5 losers and gainers for the day, we could see that Z Entertainment, JSW Steel, Axis Bank, Bharti Petroleum, Indus Bank were considered as the top 5 gainers for the day, and these were recorded as the ones who were trying to push up the market. Apart from that, Shree Cement, Titan Company, United Phosphorus Limited, Cipla, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories were the ones who were recorded as the top 5 losers for the day, and we could witness that they were the ones who were trying to pull down the market. But eventually, Z Entertainment was considered as the topmost gainer for the day with a change of 5.16%. Later on, moving on to the quarter results, which are going to be announced tomorrow, are for the companies Ashok Leyland Limited, Gujarat State Fertilizers and Chemicals Limited, Gulf Oil Lubricants India Limited, NCC Limited, Tata Power Company Limited. Although the list goes on, I have only jotted down a few listed names. Well, that's it guys. I hope you like the video. If you like the video and haven't yet subscribed my channel, I would really appreciate if you could kindly subscribe my channel, and at the same time click on the bell icon for timely updates. Also, would I request you to kindly share this channel in your contacts. I hope to come up with another video. Till then, take care and bye bye.